Hey everyone, welcome back. I am Subhashit, internet marketer and founder of Maximum Marketing. Maximum Marketing helps sales businesses grow faster with expert marketing services and result-driven campaigns. Let me start with a quick story. Back in 2021, I was just starting out in affiliate marketing. One day, I exactly dropped my first affiliate link in a Facebook group post, and within hours, boom, my post was flagged, my account was restricted, and all of my efforts went to waste. And I feel frustrating. I hate follow everything I was told by gurus. But no one told me where and how to exactly post affiliate links safely. So if you are new or even experienced and wondering where can I share my affiliate links without getting banned, this video is for you. I am going to walk you through the safest platform to promote your affiliate links, reveal the real facts and data what works in 2025, and share my personal framework to stay complement, build trust, and boost sales. Let's save your account and your commissions. Let's address the elephant in the room. Why do people get banned for affiliate links? Here's the reality. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and even Quora are designed for engagement, not selling. And affiliate links, especially raw ones, are platform flagged as a spam because they redirect users to unfamiliar sites. They are often shortened or clogged link by Bitly. They appear in the low-value posts that look like a copy-paste promotions. According to a report by Win in 2024, 57% of affiliate marketers have been faced at leads on restrictions, suspensions, or ban platforms. Due to direct linking, Reddit, for example, has been automated bot a flux any link posted by new accounts. Facebook will instantly reduce risk for disabled accounts in the link is considered unauthorized. So the truth is, it's not about what you post. It's about how where you post it. Let me tell about the platforms that safe and proven for affiliate links. Number one, on your website or blog. It's your affiliate SQ. This is only place you truly own. No bans, no restrictions. When you publish a helpful content like top 5 AI tools for entrepreneurs, build email marketing tools for beginners, you can insert affiliate links organically. And with tools like Thirsty Affiliate, Pretty Links, you can clog, organize, and track your link with PAs. Affiliate marketers with blogs generate 126% more leads with than those who did not. This is how I built my businesses. Each of blog posts is a digital asset that keeps working for a day after day. Pro tips: use SEO tools, rank your blog tree long from traffic to affiliate links. Number 2, YouTube. But use discussions only that might surprise you. YouTube is extremely affiliate friendly. If you follow the rules, I have made videos like top 5 free tools for affiliate marketers, best niches in 2025 in for beginners. And every discussion I include affiliate links with full disclosure. In fact, affiliate marketers using YouTube report 2.6 is higher conversion rates. Never post affiliate links in the comments. Use the descriptions. Always add a disclaimer like some of those links may be affiliate links. I may earn a commission at a no extra cost to you. YouTube loves content that educates, so focus on tutorials, reviews, and honest recommendations. Number 3 is email marketing, your private affiliate playground. Here's the hidden weapon most newbies is ignored. Email marketing on someone on your list, they open in and they want to hear from you. You can safely and send affiliate links using platforms like GetResponse, MailerLite, System.io. I built a simple funnel that offers a free lead magnet like a checklist, a guide, then promote affiliate tools via email. Fact, email marketing has an ROI of $42 for every one spent. This is how I promote affiliate links for years without even worrying about bans. Number 4 is Pinterest, the long game traffic machine. Pinterest works wonders especially for niches like personal finance, side hustles, recipes, home decor, blogging tools. Here how I use Pinterest safely. Never post a raw affiliate links. Instead, pin content that links to my blog or YouTube. Use Canva to make a eye-catching keyword optimized pins. Pinterest loves educational values and your links live for months, even years. A real fact. Pins that link to valuable blog posts have a 37% higher CTR than direct to offer pins. Number 5 is Quora. Indirect but powerful. Quora can be dangerous but also powerful. Post a raw affiliate link equal ban. Post a genuine plus answer plus link your blog post or YouTube equal value. Here's what I do. I answer a question like, what's the best way to make money online in 2025? Then I say, here's a full comparison I write. Link to my blog and with affiliate links. My Quora answer bring over 1000 monthly clicks, all warm traffic. Number 6 is Medium, high authority publishing. Medium is great for write long form content and stability including affiliate links. But don't go overboard. Include full disclosure. Add only 1 or 2 affiliate links per post. Focus on helpful content like best tools to grow a YouTube channel in 2025. Bonus tip. Medium content ranks in Google, so it's a SEO plus content marketing combined. Now let me save you some pain. Here's where not to post affiliate links directly. Facebook groups and profiles. Unless you are own group, links are often auto-flagged. Reddit. Unless you are a egged user with a karma and helpful content, your post will be get removed. Instagram DMs or comments, the spam detection is very high. TikTok bio use a landing page instead of raw links. Direct links are like walking into the spam trap. Use a bait page, freebie or your own content. Then link on to affiliate offers. So now you know how to stop getting banned with exactly what to post affiliate links safely. Use a blog, leverage your blog and YouTube descriptions, build an email list, post smartly on Pinterest, Medium and Quora. Most importantly, focus on value first. Then how you build a long-term affiliate income. So, if this video helped you out, DM me a favor. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe and drop a comment. Have you ever been banned or restricted for posting a link? What platform? If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and blogging, you can check out my blog, link in descriptions. Thanks for watching. I am CP Vishwajit and I will see you in the next video. Stay smart, stay profitable.